Okay guys, so now we are going to connect Stripe integration to our platform. So let's go to Stripe. And the first thing we want to do is to create a new product in your Stripe product catalog, okay? I won't talk here about how to open Stripe account and how to make it live. Just make sure you're not in test mode and go to product catalog. I already made it, okay? So basically you create a product. You give it a name, you give it a description, you can upload a logo, you can put how much you want for a month. And then what you will have is this. And what's interesting for us here is to press on those 3 dots and get the copy price ID, okay? And put it somewhere. You need to remember it. Basically the price ID, it's like the address for your product in Stripe. And it's what will make it look something like that, like this page. Okay? So great. Let's get out of it. Perfect. That's one thing you need to do. The other thing you need to do is to go here to developers, to API keys, and you need to create a new secret key, building your own integration, okay? And create a new secret key with your name. Okay? It's really important, like the name of the product. Here you can see we have ClipCaption. And that should be secret. Don't show it to anyone. Write it somewhere that you will have access to it, but don't show it to anyone. So that's your secret key. Now, another key you need is the publishable key, which is this one. And again, you will see it in developers, API keys. So that's the second thing we need to do. The third thing we will need to do, but that's Lovable will tell us soon, we will need to go to webhooks. And we will need to add destination, okay? I did it already, as you can see here. I have a ClipCaption premium destination. So basically, when you add a destination, Lovable will tell you to put here 3 addresses that you will need to activate them. And then it will give you another secret key for the webhook. We will experience it now when we will do the Stripe integration and might not. So let's get back to Lovable and now let's tell them we want to create a new Stripe integration. It should be in the process between user pressing upgrade when he is free. It should open Stripe and charge him for the $9 subscription. It also should add the user to Stripe database. On top of that, users should be able canceling their subscription by pressing downgrade. Now what's important here is that Lovable won't create new databases, won't change the behavior of the system. So I want to write him. Don't change any of the behavior of our platform in terms of generations, content, so on. It's all working already as it should. Just add Stripe payment process in the middle of user pressing upgrade. Only when our platform receive answer from Stripe that a successful payment has done, you can make the user premium. Let me know when you need the publishable key, secret key, price ID, webhook secret key. They all already exist for ClipCaption. Perfect. This last part is really important. It can save you a lot of problems, and it's basically supposed to do it in one prompt, but I don't really think it will work in one prompt, but let's see. Okay, so he make a plan for me. You can see that to proceed I need Stripe price ID. So you can write them the price ID is and copy paste your price ID. By the way, it's not secret, it's just an address. And confirmation that the existing Stripe key are the correct one to use. Okay, so let's see. He's supposed to write us the existing keys. I will pause here now because you can't see it. Okay, I didn't find where he showed me them, so I just will write them. Let me insert and replace the I will just copy it, Stripe secret key and Stripe webhook secret. And I'm gonna do here default, and I hope then it will all work. Okay, now we want to create for us a new table for Stripe Stripe subscriptions management. Let's apply it. I hope it won't break the project. Let's see, it's saying that he created the table. Let's go to the dashboard. Table editor, and okay, we can see here Stripe subscriptions with all the columns, Stripe webhook events, I don't know what is that, and Stripe customers. Okay, let's wait. Okay, telling me need to install a Stripe library. Yes, install all libraries needed. Okay, and now he's asking us to add API keys, and exactly what I told you guys, we have publishable key, secret key, and webhook secret. So let's add the publishable key. Now we'll add my secret key and my webhook secret and submit. And let's hope now everything will work. Okay, let's see, saying that now stuff's supposed to work. Let's see. Go to settings, manage subscription, upgrade. And yes, it's working. So perfect. Our Stripe subscription work.